Question first. The land mass bounded by sea on three sides is referred to as answer peninsula. Question second. Mountain range in the eastern part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar are collectively called answer Purvanchal. Question third. The western coastal strip south of Goa is referred to as Kannad. Question 4. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghat is Mahendragiri. Question first. What are tectonic plates? Answer. The upper part of Earth has been formed on 7 major and some minor plates. This plate is known as tectonic plate. Question second. Which continent of today were part of Gondwana land? Answer. South Africa, South America, Australia, Antarctica or other. Question third. What is Bhabar? Bhabar is a part of northern plains where many stones present which are called pebbles. It is about 8 to 16 km wide. Question 4. Name the 3 major divisions of Himalaya from north to south. Answer. The 3 major divisions of Himalaya from north to south. First, inner or greater Himalaya or Himadri. Lesser or Himachal Himalaya. Third, Shivalik Himalaya. Question 5. Which plateau lie between the Aravalli and Vindhya range? Malwa Plateau and it is known as Central Highland. Question 6. Name the island group of India having Kolar region. Answer Lakshadweep Island. Question 3. Difference between converging plate and diverging plate. Some plates come towards each other and form convergent boundary. On the other hand, some plates move away from each other and form divergent boundary. Difference between Bhangar and Khadar. Bhangar, many stones present which are called Kankar. It is less fertile than Khadar. It is large area cover. It is good for agriculture but less than Khadar. On the other hand, Khadar, no stone present there. It is very fertile. It is less area covered than Bhangar. It is good for agriculture. Difference between Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat. Western Ghat, it is lie parallel to the western coast. It is higher than Eastern Ghat. It is average elevation is 900 to 1600 meter. Its highest peak is Anai Muri and Doda Beta. On the other hand, Eastern Ghat, it is lie parallel to the eastern coast. It is lower than the Western Ghat. Its average elevation is 600 meter. Its highest peak is Mahendragiri. Question 4. Describe how the Himalayas were formed. Answer. The Himalaya mountain range was formed a few million ago to the collision of two tectonic plates, European plate and Indo-Australian plate. Due to these collision of age, these plates began to fold which in turn result in the formation of Himalayas mountain. Question 5. Which are the major physiographic divisions of India? Contract the relief of the Himalayan region with that of the Peninsula Plateau. Answer. There are 6 major physiographic divisions of India. First, the Himalayan mountain. Second, the Peninsula Plateau. Third, the Indian desert. Fourth, the coastal plain. Fifth, the northern plain. Sixth, the island group of India. Himalayan mountain. The Himalayas, geographically young and structurally found mountain, stretch over the northern border of India. It is covered distance about 2,400 km. It is wide in Kashmir 400 km and in Arunachal Pradesh in 150 km. Peninsula Plateau. The flat land uprise compared to normal land, and three-side cover with water is known as peninsula. It is formed due to breaking and drifting of Gondwana land. It is consists of two broad divisions: Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. Question 6. Give an account of the northern plains of India. Answer. The northern plains of India has been formed by the interplay of the three major river systems: Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, along with their tributes. It is made up of alluvium soil. Question 7. Write a short note on the following: the Indian desert, the Central Highland, the island group of India. Answer. First, the Indian desert. The Indian desert lies towards the western margin of the Aravalli Hill. This region receives very low rainfall, below 150 mm. It has arid climate with low vegetation cover. Luni is the one large river in this region. The Central Highland, the part of the Peninsula Plateau lying to the north of the Narmada River, covering a major area of the Malwa Plateau, is known as the Central Highland. The island group of India. India has two group of island. First, Lakshadweep Island. Second, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Lakshadweep Island. It is lie close to the Malwar coast of the Kerala. It is composed of a small coral island. It is cover a small area of 32 square kilometer. Its capital is Kavaratti. Second is Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is lie in Bay of Bengal, extending from north to south. It is divided into two broad categories: the Andaman in the north and Nicobar in the south. These island groups are of great strategic importance for country. Thank you.